What I'm going to talk to you about today is how to find the least common denominator or a common denominator between two different fractions. So first off, we're going to take a look at a fraction 2/6 and 3/4. Now, some of you might think that 3/4 is automatically bigger because the number 3 is on top, but we might find that 2/6 is actually bigger than 3/4. So first off, what you can do is you can see if 2/6 can become a smaller number. So I know an equivalent fraction of 2/6 is equal to 1/3. Now, when I think about fractions, I think that 1/3 is definitely a lot smaller than 3/4. But in order to really solve this problem, we need to figure out a common denominator. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up with common denominators on this side using a T-chart. And I'm going to look for the number 3, and I'm going to look for the number 4. So the first number that's common is the one we're going to use as the denominator. So let's see, I know that 3 is one multiple, 6 is a second multiple, 9 is the third multiple, 12 is another multiple. So I'm thinking that I know 4 goes into 12, but I'm going to write these just in case. So 4, 8, 12. I now know that these two are similar. So now I need to figure out how much 1/3 is equal to in 12ths and how much 3/4 is equal to into 12ths. So I'm going to write the denominator, and then I have to figure out what number am I missing right here. 4 multiplied by what number is equal to 12, and then also I need to figure out what number multiplied by 3 is equal to 12. So I know that 3, if I multiply it by 4, it's equal to 12. So I'm going to do this, and I get 12 here. What I do to the bottom, I also have to do to the top. So I'm going to multiply this by 4. I know now that 1/3 or 2/6 is equal to 4/12. Now I need to do the bottom. So I know that 4 multiplied by 3 again is 12. So I need to multiply the top by the 3, and 3 times 3 is 9. So now I can ask myself the question, which one is larger, 4/12 or 9/12? And my answer is 9/12. So with that said, I know that 3/4 is larger than 2/6.